Equipment Company. We are the industry-leading construction machinery dealer, which has decades of expert experience. Today, we come to Jingong factory to introduce the well excavator JGM9085LZ-8G. Operation of this well excavator is 7,240 kilograms. In particular, this excavator equipped with a grab bucket, and the grip depth is 1,330 millimeters. Besides, imported hydraulic parts are used to make the time of Jingong well excavator, rotation and arm lifting short, high work efficiency, greater power, and faster speed. Okay, now let's check the engine. Equipped with engine of National 3 standards, and high and low temperature airs of the engine are separated by a partition. Now talk about the cabin. Let's sit in and feel it. The gear level is placed in the front for easy operation. The ergonomic cab is beautiful, designed with a wide wheel and exquisite interior. The steering wheel has a wide adjustment range, equipped with air conditioner as standard. It is more comfortable to operate. If any interest, you can call me freely. I'm Ethan. See you next time.